Если ты завтра не проснешься, если так выйдет, что сегодня твой последний день на земле, гордился бы ты тем, что успел в этой жизни. Потому что если нет, то пора что-то в жизни менять.
Motherfucking 12K shot it. And John said he shall be the lost begotten seed of Tupac to lead us in the streets and the ways of the man. Follow me, keep my best fast and Pac's best.
After the fire, my military. After the fire, bitches the scary. After the fire, my military. After the fire, this whole fucking world is mine. My military people bury. My military people bury. My military people bury. Bitches the scary. Only wish to breathe, I explode into a million seeds. Y'all remember me, legendary, live eternally. Bury me in pieces cause they fear reincarnation. Niggas screaming peace cause they fear when my squad face them. Them and place them face to face, then erase them and break them. All the motherfuckers out of waiting to quicken and base. Blast me but never ask me to live a lie. Am I wrong? Cause I wanna get it on till I die. Now I'm worldwide. Niggas gossip like girls, they hide. No offense to Nas, but this whole fucking world is mine. Even if you blind, you can still see my prophecy. My destiny to overthrow those who die. After the fire, my military. After the fire, bitches the scary. After the fire, my military. After the fire, this whole fucking world is mine. My military people bury. My military people bury. My military people bury. Bitches the scary.
Centuries is black with promise makers. Never realized the precious time that bitch niggas is wasted. Institutionalized my bitches, bring me product by the bundles. Hustle hard from the cell, G-Unit motherfucker. We ballin', catch me count cheese and when I'm callin', can you set my call? See you let me sip on Hennessy, clip some more. Hell, I done been in jail, I ain't scared. Mama checking in my bedroom, I ain't dead. I got a head with no screws in it. Motherfuckers thinking they can stop 50, they losing it. Little nigga named John think he loud like me. Talking about he left the hospital, took down like me.
Fuck you niggas in that bullshit you going through, we outlaws.
When your little sweet ass gon' come out of the closet. Now you wondering why DMX blow them out. Next time grown folks talking, bitch, close your mouth. Beat me, you ain't no killer, you a pussy. That ecstasy done got you all emotional and mushy. Bitches wearing rags and photos. Jai's words being quoted in the source, stealing pop shit like he just wrote it. You loud mouths, pray to God, hoping no one's listening. See 50 coming for me. Oh my God, my position, no one pay attention to me. Please, got it. Here I go. Give me this pill, ecstasy done got me feeling so. When pizza boom, now all of a sudden I'm a fucking madman. Screams like I'm hot, but I'm not. Enemies, Hennessy, say my brain is all corrupted. Fuck from this shit, I'm stuck. I'm addicted to these drugs, I'm quit saying motherfuckers names.
Every day, I get so cash, I don't notice I'm breathing still. Ay. I'm the white nightmare, I'm the proof that dreams are real. Wait, tell me then there's no question, they see me still. Ay. Don't act like a stranger, my anger, the danger's real. The king of the dead, the lord of the graves. The lower the sun, the colder the shade. It's hard to attain the waves in my brain. The riot inside me is breaking the cage. I'll lead you raging, I'll stand in the face. Promise you won't got a lash in my face. No matter how many shows ever sell out, I won't get you misset to show you what I mean.
And you'll never get my confirmation. They get inspired, they show me inspiration. I'm feeling like I'm on another planet. I used to creep all night just like a bandit.
Here we go, here we go.